Okay, I've got it in full manual mode. I still have not had time to take a look at my linkage setup. I'm getting some oscillations from the gyro, bad oscillations from the gyro, so I'm just flying it in manual mode. It's been a while since I have flown it. Hopefully I don't crash it. Awesome little jet though. See if I can slow it down a little bit. Flying it on a 3S, and it's got a lot of power on 3S. As you can see, yeah, I think what I need to do with this one is, watch the truck, I think that I need to separate. I think I need to separate the elevators and the ailerons. Right now I've got it set up for aileron mixing, and I think what I need to do is put a BIME A in it and have a separate elevator and aileron. This airframe, for whatever reason, just doesn't seem to do as well as my other park jets with aileron mixing, using the elevator and the ailerons together, you know, linked together. So I think that's what I'm going to do. But it's a great handling little airframe. I mean, the airframe is excellent, which is why I wanted to set it up for 3S, you know, put a hobby grade gyro and ESC and receiver in it. Fly it with my TX16S. It's a cool looking little jet, I think. Need to mark it up a little bit, make it more visible. But it's fast too, huh? I'm just cruising around at about 45 to 50% throttle with it right now. Seems to be a pretty forgiving airframe, especially since I haven't flown it in so long. And it has unlimited vertical. Needs a better ESC in it. The CSC, it's a HTIRC 12 amp ESC, and it just doesn't seem like these 12 amp ESCs of that brand have a linear control on the throttle. I don't know why that is. Isn't that cool? That is a nice airframe. Okay, starting to get my haptic. So let me see, where's the wind coming from? It's going to be a bit of a crosswind. I think I might try to come down this little dirt lane here. Yeah, there we go. Come directly into the wind. Let's see how that works out. Alright, let's go back around. I got pretty iffy with it there. Oh, hit the apron. Not the best landing, that's for sure. But it's in one piece. Alright, so that's my plans for this one anyway. It's a great little airframe, but it doesn't seem to like Elevon mixing on all the control surfaces. So I'm going to set it back up as a traditional plane. Aileron, elevator. I don't know if I'll put rudders on it yet, but that's a possibility too. Great flying little jet though. I'm having a blast with it. I love the power that it has on 3S. There'll be links to it in the show notes. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the air.